Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video I'm going to show you this keyboard from Alpaca Keyboards. You can find it on Apos website. We're going to tell you more about that at the end of the video. This is the White Fox Eclipse. It's a compact Bluetooth magnetic gasket mechanical keyboard with hot swappable switches, spare keycaps. It's got loads and loads of nice features. It sounds amazing. Let's have a look around the box. So on the side of the box right here we have some product specs. So keycaps, cherry profile, flex plate, edge gasket, switch foam, custom PCB, case foam, magnetic gasket, magnetic case. We got technical specs: USB Type-C, Gateron yellow KS9 Pro switches, pre-lubed stubs, Bluetooth 5.0, 4000 milliamp battery, compatible with Mac, Linux and Windows. We got spare keycaps as I told you, and it's QMC compatible. That means you can customize it the way you want. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside the box. After that we're going to turn it on, do a sound test because the keyboard sounds amazing, and I'm going to show you guys how to connect it to your laptop or to your PC. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is what you get. Let's start with the small stuff first. We get a really nice braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is a charging cable and a data cable if you want to use it in wire mode. We got a switch and a keycap puller right here. We have a few extra keycaps. I really like the blue ones. You can obviously you can customize the keyboard as you want with any keycaps you want. Let's have a look at them real quick. And we also have some razors for the back of the keyboard if you want to raise it up a bit. Now let's go to the keyboard. This is how the keyboard looks. Really nice, clean look. This is the back of it. We got some rubber anti-skid feet right here. We got about 4 of them, so it won't slide anywhere. Obviously the keyboard is RGB. It looks and sounds really great. We got a USB Type-C port right here on the side. We got an on and off switch on the other side, so you can have it in Bluetooth mode. If you want to have it off, you'll have it in wire mode. The Bluetooth connects, I think, to up to 3 devices, and you can switch between them. Let's go ahead now and set it up. I'm gonna put a nice mouse mat right here. We're gonna set it up. I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect it to your PC, and we're going to do a sound test. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so if you want to connect it to your PC, all you have to do is just turn on the Bluetooth switch right here, and your PC or your laptop should find it immediately. You just click on it and press connect. I had to turn off the light so you guys can see the RGB. By the way, you can change the RGB if you press the FN key right here. So this key, and you have M, this key, and this key. So let's say if you want to change the RGB, we press the FN and the M key. As you can see, the RGB is changing. You can also increase or decrease the brightness. You can turn it off completely. If you do this, now the RGB is off. Yeah, it's got loads of RGB effects. I really like the static rainbow one, but it's entirely up to you. You can have it per key, you can have it however you want. Let's go ahead and do a sound test right now. I'm gonna get the mic really close to the keyboard so you guys can hear it. It's really talky. I really like the sound of it. It sounds really great. Obviously all the switches are pre-lubed, the stabilizers are pre-lubed, so that's why it sounds so good. It's got that foam inside to isolate any noise that's coming from it. And yeah, it's a really great keyboard. The battery apparently lasts a really long time, but of course if you prefer to use it in wire mode, you got the USB Type-C port right here on the side. You can use it in wire mode. I really love the sound of it. It's probably one of the best sounding keyboards I ever had, and the aesthetic as well, which just looks clean with this layout right here. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So if you guys want to buy this, you will find it on Apos website. This is the Alpaca White Fox Eclipse keyboard, but I'll leave a link into the video description down below. If you guys want to buy it from the link, it will really help the channel. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.